Hi, I'm Liz Rice from Aqua Security, and today I want to show you our container image vulnerability scanner called Trivy. So I'm just going to start by resetting Trivy so that it removes its cache of existing vulnerability information in its database. And then Trivy is super easy to use. You basically just type in Trivy and then the name of the image that you want to scan. I happen to know that this particular version of Alpine has some vulnerabilities in it. Because I reset Trivy, it had to download the database, but as you saw, that only took a few seconds. I clearly have a decent internet connection today. And it very quickly found a high severity issue and a few other issues in this old version of Alpine. Because it's got that high severity issue, I probably don't want to use that in production. So it'd be really nice to be able to scan images using Trivy as part of some kind of script or CI/CD pipeline. Now, if I look at the exit code from that command, it actually returns 0, which is the code for success. So what I really want Trivy to do is return a non-zero error code when it finds vulnerabilities. And then I could use that in a script to fail that script or fail a build. So I can do that with the exit code. I'm going to say exit with 1 if you find vulnerabilities. And I'll scan that same image again. This time it should be even faster because it didn't need to download the database again because it's cached it. And if I look at the exit code, it has returned 1 this time. So I could use that non-zero error code to fail the build. Now, let's just rerun that on the latest version of Alpine, which I happen to know doesn't have any vulnerabilities in it, at least today. It has warned me that I shouldn't use the latest tag. I should really be specifying a known version of an image. It found no errors and the return code was 0. So I could use Trivy and I could use the return code to pass or fail a script based on whether it found vulnerabilities. The one last thing I wanted to show you today is that Trivy was able to scan those images without any dependency on Docker. I do have Docker on this machine, but it's not running. So for example, if I were to try to list the images using Docker, I can't, it's not currently running. So Trivy can run independently of Docker, it can run independently of anything, you just have to install Trivy. So that can be very convenient and makes it very lightweight to install in your CI/CD process. If you want to give Trivy a try, you can get it from GitHub, so github.com/aquasecurity/Trivy. Thanks for watching.